Hey everyone, Dave from Repairs Rule. Nice day here in Central Ohio. It's close to 70 degrees or so. Been doing a lot of work outside, and I thought of a video that I should shoot for you. I've been trying to encourage you to think outside of the box, and I try to give you examples. I would like to see you get started on your side hustles and I thought I would share this one with you. I was down burning some branches, and I thought of this, and I thought you might be able to use this. In fact, I know you can use this. You have to just start thinking outside the box. So I want to show you. You collect all different kinds of things, and you can see I just collected some old black cord a good while back, and I knew I'd use it at some point, and I have used it in the past. And you can see I've got my drill lay down here, and I've got my box, and this is where I'm going to give you an example. So um, I bought some new hiking boots, and all of my old ones were in bad shape. And I mean, some of them, these were really old and really bad condition. Um, I buy good ones when I buy them. These were Danners, and these are Gore-Tex boots. But I mean, they're shot. You can see they're cracked on the bottom, and they're just in really bad shape. So, what do you do with this kind of stuff? You can just throw it in the trash, right? Not me. You got to think outside of the box. Now, what could I do with this? Well, what I can do, um, I do a lot of bird houses and bird feeders and so on. You know that I have a laser, but even if I did not have a laser, I could take a piece of wood and cut a piece of wood that would fit inside the opening here and attach it around with a hole to create a birdhouse, hanging birdhouse with my black cord, right? And you're thinking, Dave, you're nuts. Why would you even waste your time with that? Who would even buy that? Um, well, it might surprise you. So, what I'm going to do with this boot, and I'm going to drill a hole to be able to hang it. I'm also going to drill, now this is Gore-Tex booties, so these are waterproof. I'm going to be drilling holes in the bottom of the sole so water can get out of it. But I know a lot of you are thinking, Dave, you got all these different things that you do. Why would you do this? Who in the world would even consider buying something like that? Well, you know that I tell you that you need to have your own websites, and I tell you to tie your websites over to an Etsy store so you can sell your things on Etsy. Um, I'm going to jump on my computer in just a moment and show you why I would even mess with this. Now, are old boots and things available? Um, yeah, they sure are. My wife just replaced her hiking boots, and she buys nice ones. These are Echoes, nice looking little boot. Okay, same situation. Can be done exactly the same way, held with a cord, drilled for drainage. And I know right now you guys are thinking, Dave, what in the world? Nobody. Why would you spend all your time doing this? Well, you're going to see. I guarantee you're going to see. How about little granite ware cups? You ever seen these little granite ware cups? This is two cups back to back, fastened together with a little hanger from handle to handle, drilled with a rubber grommet, perfect for little wrens and chickadees and things like that. Who would buy that? Why would you waste your time? A side hustle? Are you serious? I'm serious. How about a big enamelware? How about this one? Big pot. Same thing, drilled. The little handle makes nice little perch. You can take this cover off to clean it. Why would you mess with this? Well, again, going back to that side hustle pattern that I've showed you, get your websites up, buy the domain name, get get an Etsy store to have an outlet to sell these things. Then there's other ways to promote, and videos are coming on all that. But right now, let me just jump down on the computer and show you why I'm doing this.
Okay, so looking for an explanation of why I would mess with an old boot. Here you go. I've been telling you, go out, get your websites, come up with your domain names. When I decided that I wanted to make some items for birds here at the house, I decided I might just sell some of these. So I went out and bought a domain name. And you can see that right here, birdoutfitters.com. This is my website. And you can see as I scroll down here, there's my old boot birdhouse. So I'm going to go on down here a little bit. Over here on the left, you'll see on the Etsy shop, and I scroll on down, and you will see here's another picture of that boot birdhouse. Go on down, things that I offer. Now I showed you this one out there, and guys, these side hustles are so easy. You just have to get started. Start thinking outside the box. Start thinking about what you can do to turn some of your passions into side hustles. So I like the birds. I feed them, and we have several different nests in the spring here, and I enjoy them. So I decided, hey, you know what? Let's see what I can do to monetize it. Well, here you go. Here's some different birdhouses. Now I showed you this one a minute ago, the granite enamelware, and then here's the boot. And then over here's the big covered pot one. Now I'm going to show you why I would even mess with this. Why do it? You can see this over on Etsy. So I jump over to Etsy, and here you go. You can see. Now remember that these are all one of a kind things. These are not mass produced in China. These are one of a kind things. And I've mentioned before, when you're doing side hustles, story is important. It's very important. So this is made in USA, one of a kind, Gore-Tex boot. It's worn out. They don't care. People don't care. They're using it for a birdhouse. And it's so unique. They can't find this just anywhere. And they're all different. Just think of the possibilities. I mean, and the buyer's interest. It might be an athlete. Well, how about some athletic shoes turned into birdhouse? Or let's say they're into ballet. How about ballet slippers turned into birdhouses? Just think of the possibilities on everything you look at. I don't care if what kind of an item it is. It just happened to be I had some old boots. Did I want to throw them out? Nope. Let's make some boot birdhouses. So here you go. And I want to show you the item, $59. And then look at this. This item is sold out. That means the one that you're looking at here in the picture sold. So even after taxes and fees and everything, I cleared $50 on a boot that I was going to throw away. And on these, there's two. I've got a pair. So I'm making the other one up now that I'm showing you. And the videos for that's going to be tacked on the end so you can see my new one. And I incorporated something else that I have, which is a laser. So by doing those type of things, you can kind of protect yourself with having your websites, being able to label it in some way. Um, but anyway, guys, side hustle's great. You need to get started. You really need to get started. Watch the videos, make comments, let me know what you're thinking, the kind of items that you're considering. And if you have trouble finding items or thoughts of what to do, go to Google Trends. Just go to Google and type in trends, and a page will pop up, Google Trends, and it will show you the items that everybody is looking for at the moment, then you can get some good ideas off of that. So, hey, guys, I hope you appreciate the information. Like, subscribe to the channel. Watch for this video of the new boot coming up here in just a second. And I'll see you on the next video.